Hello everyone, I'm Gagandeep Kaur. As a part of TWT AI Mastery Program, I developed a skill which can convert any Markdown file to HTML file and also can review the file against MSTP guidelines. So all this function can be performed using a single command. Here I have captured some sample documents and I want to show how it proceeds. So here this is the skill. If I want to convert this file, which you can see is a markdown file. Now I want to convert it in HTML file. So here I will give its path after this command. So here you can see that this is the markdown file. This is a markdown file and this is the HTML version of same file. I want to proceed with the MSTP review here. You can see this all the elements, all the markdown elements, whether it is list, code blocks, table, have been converted to the HTML elements here.
I mean, I'll forward it to
Yeah,
the next point in the video.
yeah.
So this is, I think, the review part
So
running.
to ease the readability, I have converted this file. I have made it an HTML file so that it to ease the readability, we can easily find where the rules are violating and can correct. And along with that, I I designed my skill in three parts, which is a markdown file here. The three parts under these three parts. First part is to convert markdown to HTML file, which is done earlier. Second part is to find the MSTP violation report, where I used Microsoft Docs plugin, which can check all the rules, whether it is related to tense, the sentence length, the person usage, and can give the report. And third part, if you want to get the polished file, which is an MSTP compliant file, we can also proceed with that. So here you can see, this is the polished file which is generated. The earlier file here, you can see, you can relate here. The it was using the 1 minute. It was using the future tense here, which is not recommended according to MSTP. So it converted it in present tense, and similarly, all the sentence case and the person usage are also been converted here. So for all these three functions, is like converting Markdown to HTML file, then reviewing the file against MSTP guidelines, then creating a polished file. This can take much time of a technical writer. It could take 45 to 50 minutes, but with this Claude skill, it is converted in 2 to 3 minutes. So it is very useful to save the time.